Jai Hind dear students, welcome to another video class. I hope that you all are fine and healthy as well. In the continuation of the same chapter, coal and petroleum, we have done up to the natural gas, NG and CNG, compressed natural gas. The composition of it and what is the use of these gases, we already elaborated. Along with all the topics related to the crude oil, the refining of it, occurrence of it also. So almost the chapter is about to complete, but before completion of the chapter, we need to discuss two more few points which is very important. What are they? The first is, what is the consequences when we access the mining or use of the coal and petroleum as well. So let's have a look on these important topic as well. As we all know that crude oil, when we talk about the crude oil, we can get a different kinds of byproducts just like petroleum, okay, and the kerosene, diesel, ATF, okay, different kinds of, already we have discussed about it. And when we talk about the coal, different kinds of quality also we have, just like bituminous, subbituminous, lignite, okay, and anthracite also. But both are, as well as the coal and the petroleum, both are very useful as a fueling agent. We cannot stop using both of them suddenly. As we all know, the quantity, or we can say the reservoir of this kind of coal and the crude oil is not that much in our nature, so we can depend upon it for a lifetime. There is a certain period of time after that it will going to over. But before that, we need to find an alternative kind of backup, so that we should not depend upon purely on this kind of substances. Since we already know they are good fuels, in different kinds of manner we are using it also. Just like for coal example, we can use it as a fuel, okay, in a household kind of, and in a thermal electricity production also we are using it. Crude oil we don't have to say, because different kinds of manner we already have seen, just like our vehicle, two-wheeler, three-wheeler, okay, four-wheeler also, and the buses, truck, and we have seen that the jet planes, okay, and the normal aircraft also, they all are dependent upon these crude oil and the byproducts of it. So suddenly if you want to say that we are stop using the crude oil and the we are not dependent upon the coal as well, it's not like that. So today we have to understand that what are the consequences actually happen when we use the coal and the petroleum in our nature in an excessive manner. So come on, let's have a look on the basis of two things. First, consequence on the earth as well, and the second, what are actually the drawback after using it, what kind of effect it will produce after using the coal as well as the crude oil. Let's see. So start a discussion about the excessive mining of the coal and the petroleum as well, because both are coming from the mining, or you can say drilling on the deeper of the ocean, or we can say and the land as well. Okay, so let's talk about first the consequences as a base of their occurrence. Okay, so first is that when we talk about coal and this kind of crude oil, both are very important sources of energy. So they will obviously get exhausted in the near future. Why? Because they all are limited. So obviously after a certain period of time, the energy crisis will be there. Second point, that if we start mining excessively in our nature, what will happen? The hollow space will be created in our inside our earth. As a result, what will happen? Land may be collapse, or minor kind of earthquake can be take place. Third point, that petroleum occur much greater depth deep inside the earth. So obviously it is pumped out through the powerful pumps. So obviously the same thing will happen, that if we the pump out the sections, or we can say the crude oil from the deeper of the rocks, maybe the hollow space will be created, make the collapsing in a near future, because we cannot fill something in it, so obviously it can collapse. Now the consequences on the based of uses, we can say coal and petroleum both, because they both are carbon compounds, is it now? So obviously after burning they will produce carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, oxides of different kinds of elements such as sulfur, nitrogen, is it, and the unburned hydrocarbon as well as the smoke. So these are put a greater effect on our daily life, just like carbon dioxide. Excessive amount of carbon dioxide, obviously if it release due to the burning of coal and burning of the crude oil, what will happen, the petroleum products actually, so it will produce the greenhouse effect, and due to the greenhouse effect the temperature of the earth will rise, and that's the term is called that global warming. And the polar ice also will melt. So obviously if the polar ice get melt, so sea level obviously will increase, and the nearby areas of the sea, just like the coastal area, we can say, they will actually start drowning. Second is if your temperature will actually increase or rise in our earth, obviously what happened, the monsoon cycle, which actually our kind of farmer are actually depend. So these will also get affected, the cycle may be changed or may be modified by the nature. Okay, so this also put a greater effect on us. Second point, the carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide is very poisonous gas, because carbon monoxide is not completely burned carbon. Okay, so obviously it creates a very tremendous kind of bad effect on our health also. As a result, we can say the hemoglobin cannot carry the oxygen in the blood tissues, so this will cause the deficiency of oxygen in our body, leading with suffocation, even we are facing the death also. Other than oxides of sulfur and nitrogen, you may see that these gases are respiratory problems. Obviously it also produces the acid rains, because when it mixes with the water it's become acidual. Acid rain causes corrosion of lime, marbles and metallic structure as well. So this is all about the consequences of excessive mining of the coal and the petroleum products as well, that means the crude oil as well. So I hope this is very clear to all of you, and we will meet in the next video. Stay safe. Jai Hind.